Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make this heart in a pot, and this is super easy to make. I'm using 100% acrylic yarn and in between size of 3.5 or 4.0 millimeter crochet hook. You will also need a scissor and darning needle. So first, start by making a magic ring or magic circle. Then chain and add 10 single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So you have 10 single crochet. Pull the tail. Then for round 2 to round 13, repeat a single crochet in each of the 10 stitches, a 1 stitches in each chain. Spiral for a total of 13 rounds. And this is what it looked like after the 13 rounds. Then leave a long tail. Pull up this hook. Insert your darning needle in the second chain. And then insert your darning needle at the back loop on that last stitch. So now we will set aside this stem and we will make the heart. Form a magic ring. Chain and add 8 single crochet inside the ring. Then for round 2, pull the tail and add a increases or 2 single crochet in the each of the chain. For beginners, you can mark your first single crochet, then add 1 more. Repeat for a total of 16 single crochet stitches. And for round 3, remove the stitch marker. Then we will do a single crochet in each of the chain with the tail, this tail right here, and make a single crochet. Repeat a single crochet each of the chain and also do in for round 4. So once done with the round 4, make another one of the same round from round 1 to round 4. Okay, so make again a magic ring, then chain, then single crochet 8 inside the ring, then repeat from round 1 to round 4. So now we've made the round 4 for this part. Now we will connect this to the other side of this one. Remove the stitch marker and insert your hook on that where you remove your stitch marker on that first chain here. Then make a single crochet, then mark it, then single crochet in the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, then we will skip 3 here, 3 chain, and in the other side you will also skip 3 chain. Okay, starting on the next one here, 1, 2, 3, and insert your hook in the fourth. Make a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So we just keep 3 on each side. Okay, so take your darning needle, then we will sew this right here. Insert on the front loop and in the back loop here, front and back, front loop and back loop, front and back loop. Then just leave the tail inside. And now for round 6, we'll continue a single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. Then for round 7, remove the stitch marker, single crochet, 1, single crochet in the next chain, 2, single crochet in the next 3, single crochet in the next 4, 5, and 6, single crochet, and then in the next we'll do a front loop. Take the front loop only, then front loop only in the next chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and that is the front loop only decrease. Repeat single crochet 1, single crochet in the next 2, in the next 3, in the next chain 4, in the next chain 5, in the next 6, and then front loop only decrease in the next. Then repeat single crochet of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, then front loop only in the next, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and then in the last you will have 2 chain left, so single crochet in each, 1 and 2. Now for round 8, remove the stitch marker, single crochet in the first, in the next, second, in the next 3, Then front loop only decrease in the next. Repeat 4 times for a total of 4 times, and in the last you will have a single crochet of 3 chain left here. Then for round 9, single crochet 1, single crochet in the next chain 2, and then front loop only decrease. Then just repeat a single crochet in the next 2, then front loop only decrease. Repeat for a total of 4 times, and then a 3 single crochet at the end here. And then now for the last round, round 10, single crochet in the first, mark it, then front loop only decrease in the next, single crochet in the next chain, then front loop only decrease. Repeat around for a total of 5 times, and then we will meet right at the end here. Then once done with the round 10, cut the yarn, pull up the hook, then add a stuffing but not too much, just a small amount inside. So now once done with the stuffing inside, you will still have a 10 stitches or 10 chains around. Insert your darn needle in the second chain, not in the first chain, right in the second chain. Then insert the tail on the back loop chain on the last stitch right here. Then hide this end tail inside or here inside the stitches. So normally you will have a 10 chain left on the round 10. We hide the end tail, and now we will connect these two parts. Grab your darning needle, insert your darning needle in the first chain here, and then in the first chain on the heart here. Insert in the next chain, and then next chain on the heart. Okay, so we're just connect them together. Insert in the next and in the next. Here and in the next here. And also don't forget to add a stuffing on the stem. Okay, side. Okay, so once you've made connecting or done connecting the stitches, insert your darning needle at the bottom and cut the yarn. For the pattern tutorial, you can click above this video on the right side, and if you have any question on this video tutorial, let me know in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I hope I will see you again next time. Thank you so much for watching.